Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson development. This is the economic lesson. So yesterday we have to discuss about the objectives of the economic development. So today, based on development, the countries of the world has been divided into two parts. They are developed countries and the underdeveloped countries. Based on development, economic development, the countries of the world has been divided into two parts. They are developed countries and another one is underdeveloped countries. Okay, so which are those developed countries? The developed countries are the richest countries of the world. They are USA, England. Note down the developed countries: USA, England, Japan, Germany, Australia, Japan, Germany, Australia, then Hong Kong, China, Malaysia. China is also there in this list. China, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. And one more part, sorry, I didn't tell you, one more part is also there, that is the developing countries. Okay, that is the developing countries. Still they are developing. So in that list, developing country, our country is there, that is India. Underdeveloped countries. What are developed countries? We know that. Next, which are those underdeveloped countries? The underdeveloped countries, the examples of the underdeveloped countries like Pakistan, okay, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, like that. Many countries are there, and developed country is example is India, our country, that is the India. So what is mean by developed countries? Developed country in the sense rich countries, almost all the states of those countries, they are well facilitated and there is no poverty almost. They try to give the basic facilities for the peoples. All those the peoples are not suffered with a basic facility, they are called as the developed countries. So what is meant by underdeveloped country? That is a backward and stagnant situation of the living people having a lower income. These are having a highest income, these are having a lowest income, and backward and stagnant situation. There is no facility, nothing at all. Stagnant. The development will be stagnant in the sense ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. That country they are called as the underdeveloped country. Developing countries in the sense they are showing some development, still they are developing. Okay, they didn't reach, India didn't reach for the developed. Okay, still it is developing only. They are called as the developing countries. Okay, they are showing some development in some of the places and showing doing a business with other countries, that is they are called as the developing countries. Okay, next we have to know about the underdevelopment. What are its causes? Okay, underdevelopment. What is meant by underdevelopment? Underdevelopment in the sense I told you already, the backward and the stagnant situations of the country or situation of the living people due to the lower income. This is all happened due to the lower income is called as the underdevelopment. What are the reasons for the underdevelopment? The reasons for the underdevelopment is poverty, badatana, then more population. As the countries are having a more population, the government is not able to provide that much basic facility to all the population. Then lack of modern technology, then lack of income, lower income. We called it as lower income, lack of income or lower income. Then lower productivity. Even the productivity is also less. Why the productivity is less? Because the industries are not there and the peoples are showing a laziness, and here we can face the poverty is there. That's why there will be the ill health also. Many of the peoples are suffering from the ill health. So these are the causes for the underdevelopment. Okay, these are the causes for the underdevelopment. And developing countries means the countries which are having the middle income, they are the developing countries. The developed countries means the countries which have the highest income. These countries called as the developing countries. Underdeveloped means the countries which are having the lowest income. Lowest income is called as the underdeveloped countries. So next, what are the indicators? Based on what indicators these countries has divided? So based on they are called as the indicators of the development. Indicators means ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕಗಳು. Based on what factors the countries has divided as higher developed, developing and underdeveloped, based on per capita income. Per capita income indicator. Per capita income means, I told you already, the income of the individual is called as the per capita income. Then based on national income, total value of goods and services or the income of the nation is called as the national income. Then human development indicator, that is shortly known as HDI. So these are the three kinds of indicators to divide the countries as a developed, underdeveloped and developing countries. So which are the indicators of the development? The indicators of the development are per capita income, national income and HDI. HDI in the sense Human Development Index. Keep in mind, Human Development Index. So let us know what is HDI and how it should be calculated. HDI is the measurement of the standard of living of the people. Measurement of the standard of living of the people. Standard of living of the people is called as the HDI. So it is having the formula HDI equals, keep in mind and note down the formula, HDI equals LE plus EA plus SOL, that divided by 3. Okay, LE plus EA plus SOL, that divided by 3. So what is LE? LE means life expectancy, EA means educational achievement and SOL means standard of living of the people. How the HDI is calculated? HDI is calculated by taking the average of, average in the sense, I think you know about that we have to add all. So if you want to take a average of 5, 9, 10, so we want to add all. Okay, 10 plus 9 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24 divided by 3, because 3 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 3 8s are. So like that we has taken average in a mathematics. In the same way here, by taking the average of life expectancy, LE means life expectancy, EA means educational achievement and SOL means standard of living. So that is in that way the HDI has been calculated. So this HDI is formed by, this formula is formed by one organization that is called as the UNDP. So what is the full form of UNDP? United Nation Development Program. UNDP full form is United Nation Development Program. Okay, keep in mind HDI. What is mean by HDI? HDI is the measurement of standard of living of the people is called the HDI. HDI is calculated by taking the average of life expectancy, educational achievement and standard of living of the people, and that formula is HDI equals LE plus EA plus SOL divided by 3. The very important formula. This formula was formulated by or has been formed by the organization that nothing but UNDP. UNDP in the sense United Nation Development Programs gave that formula. Okay, so this is about the HDI. So next period we have to know about the what is life expectancy, what is educational achievement and what is standard of living. So today I'll explain you the standard of living. What is mean by standard of living? Standard of living in the sense providing the at least the basic facility for the people, that is called as the standard of living. Maintaining the maintaining their living level by providing the basic facility facilities of the people, what they has required, which are those basic facility. They are, the first thing is cloth, and the second thing is shelter, then the next thing is food. At least by providing these three basic facilities, which are those food, shelter and the cloth. So if the government has provided those basic facilities, so by maintaining that conditions of the people is called as the standard of living. Standard of living means providing the basic facilities for the people to live, that is called as the standard of living. So tomorrow we have to know about that LA and EA. So HDI means Human Development Indicator. Keep in mind, Human Development Indicator. So till that, thank you all and keep watching.